Welcome to 6472 Sandkey, Cove in Gulf Breeze, Florida. This 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home is just under 1,600 square feet and it resides in the community of Lighthouse Pointe. Lighthouse Pointe has 2 neighborhood parks as well as deeded sound access with the dock, with a wonderful pavilion area as well as a fire pit over there. So really wonderful features to have in this neighborhood. This home is also located on a cul-de-sac, so no through traffic here, very quiet street. We do have a brick exterior with vinyl on the back side of the home as well as gutters on the house. So let's take a peek at this one. So coming in, we walk right into the living room. Vaulted ceilings giving for a nice spacious feel with some plant ledges as well. This living room measures about 14 by 22, so lots of living space here. Just over to our left, we have our kitchen with a nice breakfast nook here. Pantry. We do have stainless steel appliances with a refrigerator with ice and water dispenser, electric cooktop, and built-in microwave. Granite countertops as well. Nice open floor plan here. And then just off to our side, we do have our laundry room and garage entryway here. Nice, open, and spacious in here. And then just off the kitchen here, we have another dining area, which would be the formal dining space. Lots of natural light, blinds throughout this home as well. As you can see from this vantage point, it is nice and open. All the bedrooms are located on the right side of the home. I'll take you into the primary suite first. I'm gonna pass by these other bedrooms. So very spacious primary. We do have tray ceilings in here as well. Ceiling fans in all the bedrooms and blinds throughout. And this room is definitely big enough to fit a king size bed in here. So really nice space. And into our bathroom, we do have a walk-in shower. Got the commode over there with a double vanity and a really nice sized garden tub over here in the corner, with the French doors coming in. So all 3 bedrooms in this home have walk-in closets, so there is a ton of storage space. Here is the master bedroom walk-in. You can add another row of shelving in there as well. And then we have our second bathroom here, shower tub combo in here. Tile in all the bathrooms and kitchen. And then here is our second bedroom. And again, as I said, walk-in closets in all the bedrooms. So lots of storage space. Got some French doors coming into this bedroom. And then our third bedroom here is on the front side of the home. Walk-in closet here as well. And we are conveniently located about 15 minutes here from Pensacola Beach. Again, there is deeded sound access in the back of the neighborhood here, which is a wonderful bonus feature. Not all of the neighborhoods in Gulf Breeze have that feature. So definitely a bonus to have that. So I'll take you out back and give you a peek at the backyard here. Pretty spacious backyard. We have a fully fenced backyard with a privacy fence. Plenty of room to add a pool if you wanted to add a pool over here on your left-hand side. And then we have a little extended yard over here on the right. All right, take you back inside and give you a peek at that main living area one last time in that kitchen. Please let us know if you have any questions about this one. Again, this is 6472 Sandkey Cove, located in the neighborhood of Lighthouse Pointe in Gulf Breeze, Florida.